And I talk about this a lot, which is like, I see it like anxiety used to be, I would be in the car with anxiety, right? Anxiety would be in the driver's seat, driving us in some direction in my life. And it would be dictating where I was going to go. Well, I still have anxiety in the car with me. The difference now is that I'm the one driving. It's sitting in the passenger seat or the back seat. But I'm still saying where I'm going to go. It's not like the feeling has gone away, but my relationship with it has changed. And befriending those very like negative emotions, that has allowed me to do pretty much everything in life. And I think that's why I love growing a business. That's why I love, I set out on making content, all these things. They were things that I felt like, wow, if I do those things, I will have to become the type of person who is able to really befriend more of those emotions. And that has made me more confident than any affirmation or any applause or any comment on Instagram has ever made me.